To create a basic Hello World program in IntelliJ IDEA, follow these steps. 1. Open IntelliJ IDEA. Launch IntelliJ IDEA on your computer. 2. Create a new project. Click on File in the menu bar, then select New Project. Choose the type of project you want to create, e.g. Java, and click Next. 3. Configure project. Enter the project name and location, then click Next. 4. Set up SDK. Select the Java Development Kit, JDK, you want to use for your project, or choose to download and install one if it's not already installed. Click Next. 5. Choose Project Template. Select the template you want to use for your project. For a basic Hello World program, you can choose Command Line App or Console App. Click Next. 6. Finish Project Setup. Review the project settings, then click Finish to create the project. 7. Create a Java class. In the Project Explorer pane on the left side, right-click on the sarc folder, then select New, Java Class. Enter a name for your class, e.g. Hello World, and click OK. 8. Write the Java code. In the editor window that opens for your new class, enter the following Java code. Java public class Hello World, public static void main string args, system.out.println, Hello World. 9. Run the program. Right-click anywhere in the editor window with your Java class code, then select Run helloworld.main. Alternatively, you can click on the green arrow icon next to the main method. 10. View output. You should see Hello World printed in the Run Tool window at the bottom of the IntelliJ IDEA window.